Bitcoin versus the US dollar. So currently you can simply see that the Bitcoin has flapped, yeah, from the zones all the way to the downside. Then it prices around here, then pushes up, goes up, and then we are down. So that being said, let's again scroll down to the 4-hour. So we now understand that Bitcoin wants to drop. So currently it's in a downtrend. So once we go to the 4-hour time frame, what we want to look at, we just want to see kind of formations on the 4-hour. So let me try to zoom in a bit, in that you could see the kind of context current around here. So you see every red candle here is representing 4-hour. That means it took 4 hours to form. So let me point out this candle. So it gave us that candle, indicating that indeed the market is still selling off. Then it went more further, then gave us another subsequent candle, though it doesn't have all much context, but it's bearish, right? So since it gave us all these candles indicating that it's still bearish, then what we do next is just scroll down to the 1-hour time frame. So let me try to erase these arrows a bit. And once we come to the 1-hour time frame, we can now see deep through the 4-hour what transpired. And then let's again scroll down to 30 to see what's happened. Then I don't know whether you can see that the market created some first touch, then the second touch, but it's still trading beneath this very level, indicating that it's still very bearish. And then once it gave us that, the sellers are in, so you can simply see that it's printing bearish candles. Then we want to again scroll down the 15 to see clearly what's happening down the 15 minutes time frame. So let me first try to do like this. So you can simply see that price came. So price came around here, then the sellers pushed again. They came, buyers tried to push up, but then they pushed to the downside, and then look at where the price has been stalling. And then once it gave us some candlestick with a huge context, then that is when we had to trust that indeed we might have a drop to the downside, as you can see. So sorry about that. Then finally it again started dropping. It started dropping, printing all bearish candles. So what you do here, you simply come and put your first order around here. That's one order. Then you wait, then it drops again, then you put your next order. It dropped, then it comes back again. It gives you an indication that it's still very bearish. Then that's when you also come and put the next order around here. So it's just a very simple strategy to use. ICC being backed by higher time frames, that's the daily and the 4-hour, and you wait for candle closures and then sit down and manage your trades. Keep monitoring these trades, keep monitoring your setup until it gives you confirmation that indeed you want to sell off. So basically that's how I trade, and it's super simple and can make you huge sums of money if you're serious about it. So that's it about Bitcoin. Yeah, thank you.